Here's the snow plow getting stuck from the snow drift. Huh? Yeah, he got to get pulled out by somebody. Yeah, remember that snow drift I told you that went across? He's stuck in it. I got a fox path where the fox we know is alive and well. See his tracks going all the way across the snow. Here's the snow drift. There's the big rig stuck. Ha ha ha. And we shoveled yesterday, and all that is just wind drift. You can see my mailbox back there behind all of this mound. I have a path here for the post lady, postmaster, postal person, whatever they are. Okay, well, got the driveway done.
Yeah. Yeah. No, you won't.
Now let's go out here and see where that big old dump truck really blocked us in. The dump truck left us a 5-foot burr. I don't even think my 350 could jump it. Here's around the cul-de-sac. Say hi, guys.
What's that?
Say hi. Stop your work just for 1 second.
Hi.
Okay. I used the front end of the truck again as a battering ram. And 3 people was digging in this truck, acting like a plow. I was able to bust through where the dump truck left us with help of my neighbors digging me out when I got stuck.
They got thick. Or thick.
As you can see, my breaker bar and shovel still out here. And now we have a clear path. Still need four-wheel drive to get out, but you'll get out. For now. So we cleaned up the mess that the city left us by hand.